husband and I have been feeling a little under the weather. Poor Gary has been sneezing all day. But with 4 kids, a good night's sleep is essential. That's why we need a cold medicine.
Ow!
That's why we need a cold medicine that works, and works fast. Many leading...
As I was saying, with our busy lives, we can't wait 48 hours for symptom relief. Gary! That sneeze is outrageous!
That's why our family always chooses the brand. You sound like a lunatic. You're just screaming. It is unreal. Just sneeze like a normal person.
Hi!
Gary! We always choose the brand that has been reliable.
Oh! Ha! Hi! How?
For years. So try new 1-a-day extra strength Nasaflu and don't get slowed down by a little sickness.
Nasaflu, 4 inches.